In today's video, I will teach you how to blur backgrounds in images using Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea, then go to File, then Open, and select the image that you want to edit. Now go to the toolbar, then either use the Quick Selection tool or simply press W on your keyboard or the Magic Wand tool to select your main subject. Alternatively, you can use the Pen tool for a more precise selection. Then carefully outline your subject to separate it from the background. After making the selection, go to Select, Modify, then Feather, and set a value of 1 to 2 pixels to smooth the edges of your selection. With the subject selected, press Ctrl-C to copy, and then Ctrl-V to paste it on a new layer. This will create a new layer of just the subject, leaving the background on the original layer. Now click on the original image layer in the Layers panel. Then go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and adjust the radius slider until the background reaches your desired blurred effect. A higher radius will produce a stronger blur. And if needed, you can refine the subject's edges by selecting the subject's layer, then going to Select, then Refine Edge. Then adjust the settings to better blend with the background. If the subject and background don't blend well after blurring, you can add either brightness and contrast or color balance adjustment layers to each layer individually to create a more cohesive look. And when you're happy with the result, simply go to File, then Export As, then choose your preferred file format like JPEG or PNG. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.